Welcome back, guys. Today we're going to be working on the nollie, installing drop shackles so we can get it to look a little more level, not as raked. I've been hearing good things about these John C. drop shackles, so I decided, what the heck, I'm going to give it a try. And hopefully it looks even better. Your next step, after you get your truck up on jack stands underneath the frame, you're going to want to take off your back wheels, and then you're going to go ahead and take off these 4 nuts to take off your U-bolts, so where you could separate your axle from your leaf pack. I'm going to do that on both sides, and then I'm going to lower down my axle.
As I wake up every morning, I wish the day would end, because a day without you in my life, I don't know how to mend. And I was like, eh, 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 oh, 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 oh. You were like, eh, 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 no, oh, no, oh. I was like, eh, 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 oh, 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 oh. You were like, eh, 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 no, oh, no, oh. Come on, let's rewind till I smile, that look upon your face.
Hey guys, just a quick tip. This bolt comes out pretty easy, and it comes out through the frame. That bolt, you can get this nut off, but in order for you to get the bolt completely out, you have to take the front of the leaf pack bolt completely out, tilt it so you can push the bolt all the way out. It's pretty easy, and another fun fact is the bolt or nut inside the frame on the front shackle bolt up there, that has got a keyway on it, so you don't have to hold a wrench or a socket on it. You just have to do the outside.
But I never really knew that it was over, till the quiet and the echoes became colder.
See, that's what I mean. It's got a keyway, so you don't even have to put a wrench or a socket on it. This goes back in there, and it avoids it from turning, so all you have to do is worry about this side. So this is what I mean. Pull the shackle out of the actual hanger, pick it up, move my light, tilt it, so you can get that bolt all the way out. Out goes the old shackle. So I got one out, and I must say, the John C. Shackles are pretty high quality stuff. Awesome welds. I think it's powder coated. I can't lie to you. I'm pretty impressed with the quality of it. It's really nice. I didn't doubt it. I didn't hear anything bad. I'm just really shocked that this is such a good quality for the price that you pay. But that's a side-by-side comparison. That's how you're going to get your 1.5 inch or so drop. My opinion on it, guys, another tip is once you get the new shackle in and you have both the leaf and the shackle greased, get your bolt in 45, put your bolt in there, and then swing the bottom in front to back because it's a lot easier versus back to front.
But I never really knew that it was over till the quiet and the echoes became colder. And I never really knew that it was over till the quiet and the echoes became colder. You took my love, then gave it back.
Lot more of a leveled look, as you guys can tell. Extremely high quality kit, guys. Top notch, welded. Again, I went with John C because it's a local business. He's from PA. He's a smaller, so I want to support all local businesses. Same with the bumper kit. Travis is just a normal guy, but look at the PA's guy. But I just want to give you guys a shout out, another how-to video. I've been wanting to do drop shackles for a little while now. I just can't get over how that girl looks. I want to give another huge shout out to UnderDog Diesel. Hunter, extremely good guy to work with. I hit him up like 7 o'clock on a Monday morning, and I had the shackles on my doorstep Wednesday. Really good customer service, same day shipping. I'm gonna say go there for anything you guys need. Hunter's extremely easy to work with. John too. I hit John up on Instagram, making sure that he's had a couple guys tow with him, and if not, I'd have a couple trailer pics with it. That's it, guys. Do me a favor, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the little bell, comment, let me know what you want to see. I'm thinking about doing some whirly stuff under the hood. Might take it to Mexico later on down the road and get it deleted, but time will tell. I also want to do a trans in it. There's a lot more left on tank for this truck, and as well as Mildred. We'll get into that as well. But do me a favor, share the video, share all my videos. If you think somebody would take interest in it or it could help somebody else out, hit that share button. Facebook, Instagram, it doesn't matter. If you're sharing it, you're helping me out. And I can tell you right now, I always appreciate it. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Later.